Hello, good day. So this demonstration video is to show you how to activate your email address so that you're going to get updates on issues, requests and issues that you have submitted via the service desk in your back office. So I'll click on contact service desk, and then this page will open up for me. So we are using the email request. So once I click on it, this is where you capture the email address you want updates from your reported issues or requests to be sent to. So you add the subject. So this is for access code retriever. So you add the body of the message here. You can attach you can attach other things like image, and you can add other things too. So I'll go ahead and say access code. Remember to add your username in whichever request you're adding. So this is the body of the mail, the request. So you go ahead and say send. So you're going to get this message. So now for you to get updates, you have to go to your email address, the one you added. You go to your email address, then you're going to receive a message like this, an invitation message that you're invited to join the help center. This is from NRI. So you see this highlighted text here, confirm email address, receive notification. So you have to confirm this so that you're going to get subsequent notification on the issue or request that you have sent to us. So when the issue is in progress, you're going to know. When we require additional information for you, you're going to get it on your email address. Then when the issue has been resolved, you get a summary of the resolution. So I'll click on confirm email address. So I'm going to get this message, verification successful. That means you get additional emails sent to your email. So I'll go back to the mailbox. So now this is the email. So he's saying that just confirming that we got your request, we are on it. So you're going to get all follow up. This is actually saying waiting for customers. So once the status is changed to resolve, you're going to see it. Then you can also reply to it here. You can say reply, and we're going to get the message. In case we ask for additional information, let's say you're asking for access code and you didn't send a valid means of identification attached to the mail or to the portal, or you didn't add your username, you can reply using this button just from your email address. Thank you for watching this video.